Hello there, welcome to Introductions to React Quickly book. I'm its author, Azat Mardan. This is the book React Quickly. If you are just watching me on YouTube or Node University, you can follow along the videos or audio, but also know that there are 4 chapters which are available for free. For example, this is chapter number 13, and the one before, the chapter number 12, which is the first chapter in the part 2, the chapter 12, it's about Webpack. You can go and read it online. The Manning provides you 4 chapters for free. There's no need to buy the book. If you like and want to support me or Manning, you can go and buy it. Maybe you can download the book or borrow it from somewhere else. I don't know, but I know the 4 chapters are free there. And this is chapter 13, React Routing. You know what? React, it's not a full-blown framework. And I talk about that in the first chapter of my book. React is just a UI library, user interface library. So you would need to bring some other libraries such as the routing library, and React Router is one of the most popular and the most mature library that you can use for the URL routing. But before showing you React Router, I'm showing you how to build your own router, which is a good exercise. And it's good exercise because it will build you as a better JavaScript developer, as a better web developer, and because it also will allow you to better understand how the routing works in some other libraries. And then the bonus I will be using Backbone as the routing for React. So I will be taking Backbone and React and putting them together. I know a lot of companies, they still use Backbone, and I use Backbone at DocuSign. We built DocuSign.com application on Backbone. It's a good small framework, front-end framework, so it's still a very nice choice, and you can leverage React and Backbone together. Follow that example to get some understanding how you can get started on that integration. I'm not using the latest cutting-edge React router because 60% of this chapter, it's not even about React Router. It's about just a naive implementation. We're not using React Router, and it's about Backbone. So the React Router, it's really just 30% of this chapter, and it's really not that important to understand the concept. It's not that important to use the latest version because you can go to their website and look up how you can start with the latest version. So I'm teaching you the fundamentals. I'm teaching you the concepts, not teaching you all the shiny things. The latest things, you can get them anywhere. You can get them on GitHub, on the documentation, etc., etc. I'm teaching you the fundamental concepts, and that's what I'm doing in this chapter, the routing, the URL routing. So go ahead and check it. And especially if you want to integrate or if you want to understand how to build your own routing or how that works, I'm showing you in my naive React router implementation. So that's it, and I'll see you in the next video.